Hi, I'm Summer with Backstreet Surveillance. Let's set up a sentry. Step 1, you're going to want to find a reasonably flat area to deploy. Next, point the solar panels true south. Next, level the trailer. Next, remove the security strap on the mast. Next, we need to open the camera storage compartment. All keys are kept in this combination security box. Open the camera storage compartment. The cameras are securely stored. Remove the protective plastic from the lens. Secure the camera assembly. Attach the active deterrence cameras. Make sure that the trailer is still level. And my favorite part, deploying the mast. Secure the mast with the locking mechanism. Next, we power the system on. Now remove and store the tongue wheel. Let's secure the storage compartment. Return the keys to the security box. And that's how you set up a sentry.